Pat Cavlin is tracking a strong cold front that will drop temps. But Pat, you're also talking about the danger of fire.
Yeah, so the first thing that we're going to be focusing on are the whipping winds for tomorrow, and that's going to set us up with this fire danger, and it's these winds that will bring in that cold weather as we get into the start of the week. Here's a snapshot of what the winds could look like tomorrow afternoon: 25, 30, 35 mile per hour gusts. And when you couple that with bone dry humidity, I mean some of the lowest humidity that we've seen since last winter, and also dry brush, we're setting ourselves up for a pretty potent situation here in terms of fire potential. So a fire weather watch in effect for the entire viewing area. Again, that's because of the combination of low humidity, gusty winds, and dry brush. And look at this map here. This is from the Texas A&M Forest Service. I've never seen this in my almost 4 years here in Houston. An extreme category for fire danger for pretty much the entirety of southeast Texas. So this is pretty much as serious as it gets in terms of fire potential. It's not going to take much, if anything, for a fire to spread if it develops tomorrow. So just be on your guard with that.